Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make many Telegram accounts. First, understand that Telegram permits you to operate up to 3 separate accounts using just one app. This means you can keep your personal chats distinct from your work conversations. For example, each account needs a unique, active phone number for verification purposes. You will be able to switch between these accounts very easily, ensuring all your communications are well organized and accessible. To begin, the most crucial step is securing a unique phone number for each additional Telegram account you wish to create. These numbers can be traditional SIM cards from different providers, or you might use virtual phone number services. The key is that each number must be active and capable of receiving SMS messages, as Telegram sends a verification code to confirm ownership during the setup process. This ensures the security and authenticity of each new account. Adding a new account within Telegram is a straightforward process. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Then, access the main menu, typically by tapping the 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture. Look for the Add Account option, which is usually positioned prominently. Tap it, and you will be prompted to enter your new, unique phone number. Telegram will then send a 6-digit verification code via SMS to that number, which you will enter to complete the setup. Once you have set up multiple accounts, managing them is incredibly simple. You can effortlessly switch between your 3 active accounts by opening the side menu and tapping on the desired profile. Each account operates independently, meaning your chats, contacts, and settings remain separate. Telegram also consolidates notifications from all your active accounts, so you never miss an important message. Should you no longer need an account, you can easily remove it without impacting your other profiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.